In this video, you'll learn how to set up your cloud adoption framework envisioning and alignment workshops using Bluescape as your collaborative workspace. Bluescape is a supercharged virtual whiteboard available to all your workshop participants to help you accelerate ideas to innovation. At the top left of your screen are three dots that open a menu where you'll find information on how to use your workspace, view preferences to give you more control over your workshop, and other settings. The toolbar on the left is a one-stop shop for filling your workspace with everything you need to conduct your workshop. Whether dropping note cards to capture ideas or adding AWS icons to build diagrams, you can visualize ideas quickly. Add a variety of media and files like videos, PDFs, and eye-catching images. This is also where you'll access the timer for timed activities. From the left toolbar, you can access the template library, where you will find the CAF envisioning and alignment workshop templates to help you organize your workspace. By now, you should have received a presentation template to customize for your workshop, which you can upload here using the Upload feature in the toolbar. When you're ready to invite workshop participants, select Invite in the top right corner to invite teammates by email. You'll see collaborators populate here as they join the workspace. When you're ready to meet with your team, launch a video call using your company's video conferencing tools while using Bluescape to facilitate your workshop. You can also copy and paste the workspace URL to share with participants in your calendar invite. Once your workshop participants join the workspace, select Lead so they can follow you through each step of the workshop while they contribute directly in the workspace. Your workshop template contains arrow buttons that help you move with ease between portions of the workshop. As you work through activities that generate ideas or other content, you can select a group of content and copy and paste it into place so it's ready for the next activity. Bluescape workspaces persist beyond the meeting, available for your team to revisit at any time, whether together or on their own. We're here to help. Visit the Bluescape community to ask questions, get tips, and learn about major feature updates. See you there.